I'm an alumnus of XLRI Jamshedpur and these are my tips and tricks to crack the XAT. The XAT exam is ideally or typically divided into 5 sections. Now, I often get asked by my students, do whatever they test, is it really important? And the fact is, how does permutation and combination help me later on as a manager, right? Suppose you're a marketing manager at a leading FMCG brand and you have 5 products, 2 channels of distributing them. How many ways can you do it? Is that not simple permutation and combination? And that is the crux of the quant section. It is not so much about numbers, it's not so much about calculations as much as it is about concepts. We live in a time of big data, artificial intelligence, so be it. There are managers, but it's time to put the manager back in management. But even before that, the man back in the manager. So the quant section focuses largely on concepts. The DI and LR, what might seem like numerical, quant intensive, calculation intensive test can also be simple multitudes of spatial reasoning. For example, even a young child will know if you put a pizza and break it up into say 4 slices, he will obviously grab the one which is larger in nature or has maximum toppings. Many times I see aspirants skip off genuine causal cognition, which is just reasoning out in real world. The verbal section is not looking for people or individuals who are going to be historians or novelists, right? But largely looking for managers who can comprehend a section and understand the perspective of others, and more importantly, can they find and identify flaws, which might be very important when you sign contracts. The GK section, if you have been acquainted in the day-to-day affairs, I think should be a breeze walk. And last but not the least, the essay part. The XAT examiners also look for integrity, whether we have plagiarized somebody's idea or not. And I think these are important parameters that XAT tests. And I wish that you are in the top 20% of around 1 lakh candidates who makes it to the admission round at GI.